Will Hello, Joshua. We'll do oral spelling, okay? Spell the following words I will dictate to you. Okay. Who's your favorite cartoon character?
Lumpy.
Lumpy. Can you spell Lumpy? If it's a proper name, capital.
Capital Lumpy.
Yes. What kind of animal is Lumpy?
Elephant.
Elephant. Can you spell elephant?
ELEPHANT.
Bravo. What do you call the ancestors of elephant?
Mammoth. In
Yeah.
Ice Age only.
Yeah, in the movie Ice Age. Mammoth.
The mammoth, this one mammoth.
Yeah,
But
can you spell it first? We'll talk about it later, okay?
M-O.
Oh,
M-
nope. Again, mammoth.
M-A-M.
Yes, what?
M-O-T-H.
Yes. Don't move too much, Joshua. Okay. Can you spell diamond?
D-I-O.
Oh, diamond.
D-I-A-M-O-N-D.
Yes, correct. How about the name Audrey? Like your cousin, Audrey. Audrey, yeah, that's diamond.
Apple A.
Yes.
U. B. R.
Audrey.
Y.
Another way.
D-R-E.
D-R-E. Audrey.
E-I.
Another way.
Y.
Can you repeat it?
E-Y.
Can you repeat everything? Capital A.
A. U.
Audrey.
E.
Audrey.
R. E. Y.
Yes. How about compartmentalization? Compartmentalization.
O. M.
Compart.
B.
Compart.
A. R. D.
Mentalization.
M. E. N. D.
Talization. Talization. Compartmentalization.
A.
What? Again. T.
C.
D.
O. M.
C-O-M. Compart.
B. A. R. D.
Compart.
M.
Men.
E. N.
Talization.
D. A.
Talization.
N. I. C. A.
Compartment.
E-I-O-N.
Yes, compartmentalization. Bravo! That's
long.
a very long word. You did it. Yes. About explosion.
It's not big as this.
Yes, long as that. Explosion.
That's shorter than that.
Yeah, explosion. Come on. Explosion.
P
Explosion.
L O
Explosion.
C-I-O-N.
Another way of
S-I-O-N.
yes. How about sodium benzoate?
Boom. That's the explosion.
Yeah, boom, explosion.
Boom.
Yes.
Higher explosion going up there to
Yeah,
see me.
okay. Sodium benzoate. We will talk about it later because we're taking a video.
S-O.
S-O, sodium.
D-S-O-D-I
Sodium
U-M
benzoate.
B-E-N
Yeah, zoate, benzoate.
C-O-A-T-E.
Bravo! Sodium benzoate. That was good. Escalator.
Also explode also.
Yeah, okay. But escalator first. Escalator.
E-S
Escalator.
C-A
Escalator.
L-A-T-O.
Bravo. Resignation.
Signa.
Yeah, resignation.
R-E-S
Resignation.
I-G N-A-T-O-N.
What T?
J-O-N.
Yes. Sign.
Sign.
Come on. The time will run out. Yes.
Like bongo.
Okay, but we will talk about it later because the time will run out.
I-G-N.
Yes. Adventure. Can you spell adventure?
Like Islam Adventure.
Yes, from the Heffalump movie, no? Pooh's Heffalump movie. Come on. Adventure.
A D V na
Yes, adventure.
E N
Yes. Adventure.
P U O E.
Yes. Supreme. Supreme.
But Supreme yun's longer than it.
Okay, but can you because time will run out.
A U P R E N E.
Yes. Iron Man.
Iron Force.
Iron. Yes.
Iron Man.
Yeah, Iron Man. Can you spell Iron Man?
O
Man.
N
The other people might not understand how you talk. Okay. Good job. Questionable. Questionable. Okay, you can do it.
Q
Questionable. Questionable. Question. Q-U-S.
A-O-N-A-B-L.
Bravo. Questionable. Flight.
Fly.
Oh, you're about to finish. Flight.
F. L. I.
Talk properly. I.
G. H. E.
Yes, they might not understand how you say things. Okay, it was correct. But talk properly. They might not understand. Okay, so the other people will understand you also. Biopsy.
B. I.
Biopsy.
P. S. I.
Another way of C. S. Another way. Instead of S.
C.
No. S. Instead of I. What? Biopsy. Choose another letter instead of I. Biopsy.
Y.
Okay, repeat it. Biopsy. Correct.
B.
Biopsy.
I. O.
Say it properly.
B.
Biopsy.
S. Y.
Bravo. Vial.
The one who broke.
Yes, the one you broke. Come on. Vial. The small
V.
vial.
I. L.
Oh, that's vil.
V.
Vial.
I. L.
Yes. Oh, last word. Convergence.
Convergence.
Yes, convergence. Convergence. See? Again? Slowly.
C. O.
Convergence.
E. O. N.
Convergence.
V. E. R.
Convergence.
G. E. N. S.
Another way of
C. E.
yes, so see.
It wasn't making
Finish.
like S.
Thank you very much, Joshua. You did well. Smile. Say thank you. Sunscreen or cheese?
No, she is our cheese.
Okay.